To enable Wi-Fi verbose locking in Samsung Galaxy S20, open Settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap Settings. You can also open Settings screen from notification panel, swipe the notification panel, and then tap Settings icon. Scroll down Settings screen, find developer options, and then tap developer options. Scroll down developer options screen, find enable Wi-Fi verbose locking, and then to enable Wi-Fi verbose locking, tap switch until blue, or to disable, tap switch until white. Increase Wi-Fi locking level, show per SSID, RSSI, and Wi-Fi picker. Enable Wi-Fi verbose locking, increase the Wi-Fi locking level for wireless network or SSID. You connect to according to its relative receiver signal strength, RSSI. For more information about lock, see when and view logs with Logcat. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.